guys, welcome to Autosport Line. I can't believe I did it. Hopefully I'm not gonna regret it, but it's gonna be a big experience for me. Basically, I got this 328 IS. It's a coupe. It's a 1998, guys. I was thinking about probably build. I like the E36 M3. I'm pretty sure a lot of people know about this. It's completely different than the Euro spec M3. It's almost like a 90 horsepower different and complete different like engine and transmission. Still pretty good looking car, you know. So the closest one to the US spec is the 328 IS. But I got this one less than $1,000, honestly. This car has been really dirty and sitting outside for a couple years, and you know, it's pretty much 1 hour. Has same engine, I think, that the 328i has. It's the M52 B28. It's a pretty good engine if you tuned it really good. It's to be a rare car in the future. Paint is bad, you know. These they always rust on the side. I forget what's it, windshield. And these are happen to be like a metal, I guess, or like, you know, something like that. The paint is pretty bad, you know. Of course I'm gonna wrap it. I'm not gonna keep it like that. These are the sports package. These are rare. It's got the charger CD right there, but you know, it's gonna be probably a good project for me. It says Denon, but it's not really Denon. I'm not really sure if there is like a chip or anything like that. It's pretty terrible. I'm gonna change everything. This is not gonna be a race or track car. It's gonna be sport, good looking sport car. Let me get check on the engine. So this is the M52 B28. It's got a single Vanos, guys. I'm pretty sure I need the whole cooling kit. I don't have experience on the M52. I really have experience with the M54 and, you know, the M62 V8, but this is my first time gonna work on this car. It's pretty dirty. Look at the dirt right there. I'm happy there is no rust. The engine is pretty good, actually. It doesn't have any problem as far as this guy say. The cooling system, it might be pretty bad. I need to change all this cooling system. Maybe I throw in some M3 cooling system. Said it's pretty reliable. I know this E36 has a cooling problem. So yeah, let's go inside, check it out. It's pretty much beautiful car, man. This car is 190 horsepower. The M3 is 240 horsepower. M52 B28, you can do a lot. You can clone it, you can put like, you know, crankshaft. M54, you got the M steering wheel sports package. It's in kilometer over there. Good. 328. All this button right here. Well, basically like a heater seat, ASC. This is the subwoofer or something like that. This is the heater and all this stuff. I don't know. I haven't seen actually 328 IS with the M package like that. I think the best mode for this, it's M54, like pistons and, you know, crankshaft and all that. In order to, and you can switch this M54 manifold to an M50 B25 manifold. It's a bigger intake, a bigger runner, so you get more air into the cylinder. They share the same transmission, M3 328 IS, except like, you know, the 3.2 and this one's is 2.8. Well, basically it's not a big deal. If you switch the crankshaft to an M54, you get more horsepower and more drag. The def is different, and that's it. Now, the M3 manual has the 3.23 differential. So this one I think has 2.92 differential. So if you swap an M3 323 diff, you get probably 100. So that's pretty good though. Let me get chicken. The only thing that I'm happy with is there is no rust in there, man. The subframe, I checked the subframe pretty good. You know, the wheel bearing and all this stuff. I'm happy there's nothing. So, like I said again, I'm gonna go through detail, clean this car pretty good. I think there's a wheel hub or something going on in the back. I need to be changed. Clutch too. When I press the clutch, it feels like some sort of like grinding or something. I'm not really sure. Clutch cable or the cylinder. I'm not really sure about it. So yeah, guys, the seats are okay. The back is like a lot of parts are out there. This car was dead. Right now it's gonna go back alive. Hopefully I can. Hopefully I don't have any electric issue. I will be posting a lot of things, step by step, and I hope you can guys watch and subscribe.